So I'm working on my '08 Impala, and you could hear that clicking blendor actuator. It's going to be the one behind the dash. So you have something like 7 or 8 screws. Took this one out, took this one out to hold this inner glove box together, because it's just a lot easier to take this inside, this big old piece right here out. So we'll get these out. Get this last screw out. Help if the car was cleaned out. Okay, so now that that's out of the way, I may have a video of this already, but we go back in here. And it should be 2 or 3 screws holding that in. Just to get my 1/4-inch drive Craftsman in there. The snap-ons not working that right. Got rusty, I left it out. So back up here, gonna see if I can get this clip off. Can't find my nice pick, so I'm gonna use a hose pick today. So I got that off. I don't know if you can see, there it is. There's one more bolt right there. I couldn't find my wheel nut driver, but somebody's changed these bolts. They're a different size. One's a 5.5 millimeter and the other's like a 1/4 inch. So I just put a little wheel nut driver on that to get that broken loose, because I can't find my little, I have a little finger spinning, which is better for these tight spots. Okay, got that last screw out. So this should wiggle on out. I have other videos. What happens is there's little worm drives in there. Usually one tooth goes out. This is not something, I bought a Dorman. This is not something that I would get a eBay part for. A Dorman's like $40. And it's the same number. There's actually 3 in these dashes in these Impalas, and they fit a lot of different GM. But a Dorman's like $41, and the junky eBay one's $28, and the Dorman one has a local AutoZone warranty, so I went with that. So you can see the little white lever up there. That's what this is going on. Popped right into place. I'll go ahead and get that upper screw started by hand. Tedious ratcheting her in, 1/4 turn at a time. Okay, got that all back together. Plug her in. Let's get the right key that the security system allows. Get no more clicky clicky.